Hello, welcome to Cool Life channel. Today is November 28, 2024. We are in Guangzhou Cool Life. I would like to introduce our EV lab equipment of the AC and DC charging trainers for you. This is very helpful model for education. Now we can see from this part is for the DC charging. We have the wiring diagram and the control unit, and also the charging ports and the chargers as well to simulate it. And at the bottom side, this is discharging system. That means if we just have the charging system and without the discharging system, it will not work. Because inside the car is as a discharging system because it have many, like the motor, the PTC, the compressor is for discharging. So we have some discharging system simulations here. And this side is the AC charging. This is the AC charging system. We can see the wiring. There's the signals Y and also the natural and then charging line. So by this, we can understand the working principle and what it includes as well. Now I start to simulate it how to use the machine. And we normally, we just put the charging connectors here. And if we want to charge it, we must connect it. It needs some power to fix it well. Yeah, until it fits well, you can feel now it's tightened enough and already fits well. Then we turn on the switch. And this is the loading for discharging. Now it is on, and you can see this system already on, but this is for payment system. That means if we're charging outside, we need to pay, right? And we use the car, now already paid, and you can see it start to charge now. And also, we can see the lighting is from outside to inside. Simulated, it is on charging right now. It's on charging right now. And there's an emergency switch here. If any accident happen, we just press it. Now, if I press it, the charging will stop. Right now, it's stopped right and running. And then we turn off the switch and pull out. Put it here. We just return it. Again, we just running it and it will return normal. And this one, the chargers normally is put it here on this side, now already connected. And same, we just turn on the switch, let it on, and this charging system on. And now we also need to pay for it, right? Use your payment card here. Oh, must press the button start and then pay for it. There's a voice like this, and then you confirm. Now it's start to charging right now. Because so for the DC, we can see the lighting speed is quite faster than just now. This is the high volt charging. It's simulated quite faster charging. Based on this AC and DC charging panels, and the student easy to understand what included in the AC system. And also we have, at the bedside, we have diagrams for the working principle. So easy for education and easy to understand for the EV charging system. Okay, if you have more questions, just contact with School Life. We'll introduce to you in details.